Havalar soğuduğuna göre hamur işi sezonu açılmıştır. Bu tarifi yıllardır yaparım, enfes olur. Şimdiden kaydedin derim. Unlu bir hamur yoğuruyorum. Üzerini kapatıp dinlenmeye bırakıyorum. Haşlamış olduğum patatesleri güzelce eziyorum. Rendelemiş olduğum soğana tuz, toz biber ekleyip patatesleri kavuruyorum. Hamuru 2 eş parçaya bölüp güzelce açıyorum. Ardından ilk katını yağlayıp patatesi üzerine yayıp rulo yapıp kesiyorum. Tekrar kestiğim hamurları açıp dinlendirip arkalı önlü yağlayarak pişiriyorum. Tarifin detayları açıklama kısmında. Bu tarifimi kaydedip bir arkadaşına göndererek sevgiyi ve şifayı yaymayı unutmayın.
We keep seeing their eyeballs glued to us on the sidewalk, but that look could kill. They are trying so hard to find all the weaknesses inside, but it's gonna spill. Oh, can we take a minute, turn and face the critics? Let's put flowers in our hair like we don't care, and dance a village clown pose. Nobody's stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and making me laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and we can clown around, yeah. And we can clown around, and it's just you and me. Oh, you and me are a vibe, girl. Disco, some fun like.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words, but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me, cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. We're not a thing. I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna